Okay, let's take a closer look at one of these ladder rungs. So this is some aluminum that I had purchased and then cut on the regular carbide blade. And cut nice, and then I kind of took a hand file and just filed the edges a little bit so they weren't as sharp in any spurs that when I drilled the holes. I drilled them to take this size, actually the metal screws I'm using for the roof. Only these are 1.5 inches, so they're a little bit longer because of the thickness of this. Just wanted to give it a little bit longer. I don't want them sticking out a lot below, but these shouldn't stick out too much, if any. So then I'm using this good sealant and just kind of going around. You don't have to put a lot on, I'm finding out, because it goes pretty flat and really squishes down. So I just wanted no leaks around the holes. These are used ones. These I had used before, so they have some liquid silicone on them already. Not that that matters, but they're in great shape. They no problem, so reuse them. Okay, so I'm going to take this one up there, put my last one on that I think I need for right now anyways, and then I'm going to come back, get my safety rope, and click it into one of my anchors up there, which they're permanently mounted. I'm leaving them on the roof, so if I need to get access to this roof, get on the roof, I have them there. And just like this ladder is going to be permanent, it's staying there. Does it look awesome? I don't know, but does it bother me? No. And I know it's a safety thing, so just a cool feature. Okay, good talking point. Okay, let's get the last one in that I need for right now anyways, and harness up, move on to the next step.